Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to go ahead and add some more red accents to our car. I've still got a bunch of this red pinstriping stuff that I'm going to go ahead and attach to the cowling down here. I'm going to go ahead and get each one of these fins and just put some red on it. And then I also went ahead and picked up a red little 6-speed radiator cap. So we're gonna go ahead and get that attached in the engine bay there. But first we're gonna go ahead and clean all this off so that our pinstriping will stick to it. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that our surface is clean, we can go ahead and cut our pinstriping into 4 equal lengths, and then we're just going to attach them onto each fin here. Alrighty, that looks pretty good. It actually kind of looks like it's supposed to be part of like a sport body kit almost. I had to readjust that one there on the left side. It was a little bit crooked at first, but now I think we've got them all pretty straight. So let's go ahead and get under the hood of the car and attach this radiator cap. Now that we've got our hood open, you're going to go ahead and locate the radiator cap. It's that guy right there. And obviously you're going to want to do this with your car having been off for a little while, because that sucker is going to be hot. And basically this type of cap is one where these little screws right here are just basically going to bite into the edge of the real cap. So this is basically just a cover that's going to sit on the top like that. So we're going to go ahead and screw these little things in with an Allen wrench. Some other things I wanted to show you guys was I went ahead and joined the KDM registry for the KDM Alliance and got my little number right there. It's pretty cool. You should check them out if you've got a Kia or a Hyundai and want to sign up. They'll give you your own little like serial number. I'm 4726. And they've got these great stickers where you can actually choose the different colors of lettering and styles and whatnot. So I went ahead and got a KDM Alliance Texas one with the gold in here for the Alliance in Texas. And back here above my tailpipe, you may have noticed in some of the earlier shots, I went ahead and got my little logo, the check engine light with KDM Kurt in the middle of it. Got that printed out on some vinyl stickers. I have a couple more of them, so I may be doing like a giveaway and just kind of, you know, handing some of these things out. But yeah, I went ahead and got some of those made as well. Thanks so much for stopping by, everybody. Don't forget to check out another video on the channel, and I hope to see you in my next one.